Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your internet time is not syncing, time synchronizations has failed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So there is a variety of issues that could lead to this sort of problem, typically a network connectivity problem. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart the Windows Time service. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong services at dito lang sa services local, dito sa right side ay kailangan lang i-locate dito yung Windows Time. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then hanapin natin dito yung Windows Time. So once na-locate mo na dito yung Windows Time, select and double click. And dito lang sa General Properties at dito sa Startup Type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito yung Automatic. And then dito sa Service Status, i-click mo lang dito yung Start and wait natin ma-complete. Alright? And then after that, dito ulit sa taas ay kailangan mo i-select dito yung Log On. And then dito sa Log On As and select mo lang dito yung Local System Account. So select yan. And then dito sa baba ay click apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to use a different time server. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, so dito lang sa left side menu and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung time and language. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung date and time. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa date and time, so scroll down and i-locate natin dito yung additional clocks. So i-click mo lang yan. And pop up itong date and time. So, ang next step dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung internet time. And then once na-select mo na dito yung internet time, so dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung change settings. So, itap mo lang yan. And then dito sa internet time settings, so configure internet time settings. So, dito lang sa server, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung time.nist.gov. Okay, so select mo lang dito yung time.nist.gov and then i-click mo lang dito yung update now. Alright, so tap mo lang yan. Okay, so after dito and then close lang natin tong settings. At dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix time not syncing, time synchronization failed in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.